Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how to enable the developer options at the Huawei Y6 in the version of 2018. So first of all, we need to go to the settings. You can have it here, or if you scroll down, you have also here the opportunity to go to the settings. Then you scroll down until you have the point system. Then you go on about phone. So and then we have the build number here. You tap that build number for 7 times and you are a developer. Okay, then you go back one step and you have now here the developer options. Just tap it and now you're able to enable the USB debugging and also the stay awake mode and so on and all the other stuff for the developers. And then you can transfer data and something like this and the rest for the developers. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it, and yeah, maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and yeah, I've created also some other videos. Maybe there's something interesting for you also. Thank you so much for watching, and maybe until next time. Ciao.